Have you ever dreamed about owning a classic home in an amazingly classy 1920s building along Riverside Drive on the Upper West Side? I'm Jeff Goodman from Brown Harris Stevens, and it's my pleasure to welcome you to 370 Riverside Drive. Come on in. From the moment you walk in the front door, you get a sense of the space of this classic 5-room home, and you know you are in a special property. The entry foyer beckons you into the large living room, which can also accommodate a space for dining. Since this home is on the top floor of the building and has exposures on 3 sides, there is lots of natural light. Some of this home's rooms have 9.5-foot ceilings, and some are 10 feet high. Look how they showcase the classic crown moldings. The original wood floors are richly colored and in good condition. Each of the 2 largest bedrooms have windows on 2 sides. The very large primary bedroom has a lot of room to spread out and has a large walk-in closet. The second bedroom is large, also big enough for a king-size bed, and has 2 large closets. The former maid's room can be used as a bedroom, as a home office or study. The windowed eat-in kitchen is large, has plenty of space to prepare even gourmet meals, and has its own very large storage closet. The primary bathroom is classic. It has the original subway tiles and the original soaking tub. The large linen closet can store almost any number of a home's towels, linens, as well as other home supplies. 370 Riverside Drive is one of those coveted classic Upper West Side masterpieces of a building. It's full service with a 24-hour door staff and a resident manager. It has a landscaped common roof deck with spectacular views of the Hudson River sweeping up to the George Washington Bridge and beyond. There's individual private storage and bike storage. Even though this is a classic pre-war building, washers and dryers are allowed in individual units. But if you prefer, you can also use the central laundry room. Pied-à-terre are allowed at 370 Riverside. Co-purchasing, gifting, and guarantors are also allowed on a case-by-case basis. The building is pet-friendly, and get this, there is no flip tax. Across the street is the beautiful Riverside Park, hugging the Hudson River along the waterfront greenway. It's superb for all kinds of outdoor activities, including biking, jogging, and even trips to the dog run. Morningside Park is just a few blocks away, and the rustic northwest corner of Central Park, Manhattan's backyard, is also close by. You're blocks away from Columbia University and the culturally rich community that surrounds it. Wonderful restaurants and shops are also nearby. And 370 Riverside Drive is close to public transit. You're literally around the corner from the 1 train and down the block from the Crosstown and Broadway bus lines. Well, thanks for joining me today on our tour of this very special classic home on the Upper West Side. Can you see yourself living here? If yes, I would love to show it to you. I'm Jeff Goodman from Brown Harris Stevens, and I will see you on Riverside Drive.